Good evening friends, this is me Arjun, and today I am making this video for those who are on intermediate level and want to achieve fluency. Those who want to be a fluent speaker, who want to speak this language fluently. So I'm also an intermediate learner. I have been learning English and I have been working on my communication or my English to be a fluent speaker, but still I'm an intermediate. So I was thinking about something like are there some strategies or framework by which we can be fluent quickly, or we can be fluent fast. So yeah, I came across a website where there was a case study. I studied it, and I found that every step of English, I mean there are few certain steps like beginner, intermediate, first beginner and pre-intermediate, then upper intermediate, advanced. So these are the steps in English. So when I was studying about the steps, so I found that around 6 to 9 months. Every step takes 6 to 9 months. And if you are on beginner level, or if you want to be on intermediate level, so it takes around 6 months, 6 to 8 months to be an intermediate speaker. Or if you want to be an advanced speaker, it takes again 8 to 9 months. So that is how we can understand it takes time to be a fluent speaker. So first of all, please be free about this thought. How can I fluent in just 30 days, 40 days? Really, no. Please believe me, you can't be a fluent speaker in just 30 days and 40 days, because fluency is not just something, it's not your native language. You can communicate without putting effort. So, and another there's another study which I've gone through and I would like to mention over here. So there is the study was, how can we learn a second language. This study was done by had been done by a polyglot. So I studied about this case study, and I found that first of all, if you have time, if you have 12 hours in a week to speak or to work on any language which you want to learn. For example, if you want to learn English, or if you have 12 hours in a week, it means this is the right time to learn the language. Or if you say that I do not have time, I do not have that much time, I have another work. If you do not have 12 hours in a week, it's really, this is not right time to learn this language, then leave it. Learning language is not a easy thing, really. It's a it takes a time. Uh, it demands a lot of practice. It requires a lot of practice with consistency, with perseverance. Some start doing the practice, first start studying, learning, speaking, and after a time, after a few days, they just quit all the things. Don't do that. If you have enough time to learn this language, then please start learning. So that is all I wanted to say. Because I am also an intermediate speaker, so I wanted to give a message for my friend, and for my uh, kind of like fellow who are learning this language, and they are facing the same issue. They are on intermediate level, even they are pre-intermediate level, they want to achieve fluency. So fluency takes time. For that, you can there are two. Okay, so I would like to add on one more point over here. If you are on pre-intermediate level, so now this is the time you need to listen more, you need to speak more, or you need to watch authentic content. You need to watch podcast, you need to watch movies, you need to watch English conversation, real content. Don't don't learn just for the fun. Or if you are learning, if you are watching, just please be active. Do active learning, do active listening, do active watching. Because most of the time what happens, we start our phone, we play the video, and just in front of the camera we are here, we are just watching the video, but we are not focused on video, and it just keep playing on, or we are not focused. So please be focused. do active learning, and after a time, it takes time, after 4 months, 6 months, you will see a tremendous change, you will see a drastic change in your English. Thank you. So again, I would like to mention, I would like to give a quick summary over here. Please be have patience about this language. It takes time, fluency takes time. It's not a, for a 30 days or just a 20 days process. The process is very slow, but you can speed up by implementing certain frameworks or certain strategies which you can find on YouTube or which you can find by yourself. So thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and give a like. Or if you want to have video conversation with me online, so please leave a comment, or you can reach out to me through email. Thank you. Bye bye.